Would you like to wear cloth pads and underwear that do not allow snapping around the gusset? Check out Domino pads Kiwi. Learn how to wear pads with boxer briefs. If your underwear fits snugly enough, you can simply insert the Domino pads Wingless Kiwi pad without adding snaps. For Domino pads Kiwi to stay securely in your undies need to fit very snugly. Remember that snaps need to be attached to thicker fabric or several layers. If you choose to attach the snaps in the gusset area, you will have the benefit of multiple layers of fabric to secure the snap to. If you prefer to keep the snaps out of the way in the leg area, please use iron-on small fabric patches to create a thick layer to add a snap. Iron-on fabric is provided with the optional snap kit. To attach a reinforcement fabric, use one of the pre-cut rounds provided, or cut out your preferred shape. Simply iron it on until edges are securely fused. You will have two types of snaps to make a pair that snaps into each other. We suggest you use the smoother female snap in your underwear to keep it wearable and comfortable even without a pad. To insert the snap, you will need to use the L to create a hole. Be very careful, as this tool is very sharp. If you feel unable to use this tool safely, please do not use it. Now comes the fun part. Insert the snap through the freshly created hole and match it up with the snap part of your choice, male or female. Don't forget they will need to face each other to snap together. Use the bowl-shaped area of the snap pliers to rest your snap head. Then add the snap attachment on the other side of the fabric. When you have everything like you wanted, press the two pieces together using the snap pliers provided in the optional kit. Repeat this process on the pad itself. Pause for a moment before you finalize to ensure the snap is facing the correct way so that you can later on attach the pad to your underwear.